Okay, I'll share it that. I'll share that better today. I have formula book actually, only formula book. I think I'll show it to you just a minute. I think I have formula book. I'll share it today, but I don't think I don't know where I have kept that. But huh. Yes, can you see this book, guys? This is a formula book actually. I'll share this book to you all. Okay, people. And these are this two books I'll share it. Okay, this is a formula book and this is also a formula book. You can see the all topics formula will be given to you. So if you just open this, you have relations and functions. After that, like inverse trigonometric functions, like trigonometric equations, and you have look at this complex numbers. All the formulas you have it here. You can see the formula book here.
Yes.
Differentiation and application. All the formulas they have given here. Vector algebra, and this is one book and another book. I'll just show it to you once. Give me time. Yeah, this is a parabola. This is also very good actually. I'll just share it to you. Just go to this binomial theorem, right? 26 to 27 page. Yes, look at this. So we have just done with this actually. What is the standard formula? What is the expansion of a plus b whole to the power of n? Okay. And, and the summation of 0 to n NCR a to the power of n minus r b to the power of r. Properties of binomial theorem. The general term formula, middle term formula. Look at this. And after the multinomial theorem, application of binomial theorem. These properties are very important. These four properties I have given. So very very good. So it is a decent enough for your actually. Okay, people. Any doubts here? Look at this binomial theorem for negative integer. We have this as well. This is enough. Look at this. We have properties of binomial coefficients. Can you hear me, children? Yes. So till what we discussed in the last class? Yeah. So everyone now solve 24th question, 25th question. Solve for this question, everyone. This is a fill in the blank question. Quickly make this question. Then what is the answer? Guys, what is the answer? Look at this. Let me solve this. The natural number m for which the coefficient of x in the binomial expansion of this is 540. Sorry, 1540. Look at this. Natural number m for which the coefficient of x. So let us write this formula. Tr plus 1 is equal to 22. N is 22, right? 22 Cr x to the power of m over to the power of n minus r into 1 by x square over to the power of r. So Tr plus 1 is equal 22 Cr x to the power of 22 m minus rm into x to the power of minus 2r. Correct? After solving this. Okay. So here, if I observe it, I look at this here, the natural number m for which the coefficient of x in the binomial expansion is 1540. Okay. So 22m minus mr or rm minus 2r is equal to what coefficient of? Yeah, it is 1. Correct? Is equal to 1. So what is r is going to be now? R value is going to be 22m minus 1 whole divided by m plus 2. How m plus 2? I'm taking r common here. Okay, directly I'm writing it down. If you don't understand, let me write it again. Are Babu, 22m minus r common m plus 2 is equal to 1. So 22m minus 1 is equal to r times of m plus 2. R is equal to 22m minus 1 divided by m plus 2. Okay, so this is what we uh, found the value of r. So coefficient of x in this binomial expansion is 1540. 1540. Now look at this here. What is r value? Tell me, what is r possible values of m? What are the possible values of m here? For in place of m, what are the values I can write? Tell me. Tell me. M value can I write as 0? No. It is 0 minus it will be. So 1, 23, 21 by 3. Yes. 3, 65 by 3. Yes. 7, 13, and so on. Okay. But what he has given here? NCR. 22 CR is equal to how much given, Rababu? The coefficient of, the coefficient of x in the binomial expansion is 1540. What he has given? 22 CR is equal to 1540 coefficient. So what is the possible value of R here? Now tell me. What is which R value gives me 1540? So 22 C1, one value. 22 C1 is not possible. R value, boys and girls. Now tell me here, what exactly M value should I take? What should be my M value? Which value of M will be satisfying, guys? Which value of M will be giving you the right answer? So 22 into 13 minus 1 by 13 plus 2. Solve this. 13 to 26. 13 to 26, 28. 15 ones. 15 nines. Yes. Tell me, what is the possible values of M now? Are you guys able to understand what I'm trying to say here? What is the possible values of which value of M will be satisfying? But M value 13, of course. Understood? How can we write 13? Many of you are saying that how can we write 13? How many of you got the same answer? How many? Yesterday also we solved a similar type of question. How many of you got this answer? Done? Guys, what is the R value I got? Are you able to understand Babu or not? See beta, R value what I got? 22 minus M. If I take possible value of M as 13, I'm getting R value as 19 beta. Understood my point? At R value 19, my M value is 13. Understood my point? So that is what he is asking us to find. What is the value of M? M value is 13 at what? At R value of 19. How 19? 285 by 15. 15 1 15, 59 135. So 19 R value I got like this. After substitution of M value called 13, I got R value 19. So at R value 19, I mean at M value 13, this is my possible value. This value I'm getting how? At what? At R value called 19. Answer should be 13 should be the answer. Next. And if you don't understand M value directly, I'll show it to you how it is. For getting M value, Babu, R value is what? Let us do one thing. If let me look at this here. You take M value is what beta here? What is M value? Tell me. Or else, first of all, we will just find out M value. What is M value? You tell me what is M value. What is M value from this? M value, let us write M value. Let me take M common. 22 minus R minus 2R is equal to 1. M value is equal 2R plus 1 by 22 minus R. Correct? This is my M value. Now, if I take R value, beta, what are the possible values of R? And here, what he has given? Natural number M. Natural M is natural number. So if I take R value 1, M value is going to be 2, 3, 3 by. So 3 by something I'm getting, which is not possible. Beta. Are you able to understand? R value, if I take 1, 3 by 21, which is 1 by 7. Natural number I'm not getting. Okay, so not possible. 2, even I take 2, it is not possible. R value 3, check. Then what is the answer is going to be 6 plus 7 by 20, 19. This is also not possible. R value is also not possible. R value 4, R value 4. For everything I'm getting this decimal only. You just go till not power 5 or 10 or 10. If I substitute R value 10, 21 by, I'm getting still not a natural number. R value 10 is also not possible. R value 15, let us check. 15, 31. 31 by, I'm still not, this is also not possible. I'm not getting M value as natural number. If I substitute R value 19, let us substitute 2 into 19 plus 1 by 22 minus 19. So 39 by 30 now. So 3, which is 13. Look at this. M value at R value 19. At R value 19, M value I'm getting natural number. Okay. M value I'm getting natural number. So M value is 13 at what? At R value 19. Hope you understood now. This is how we will solve this. Okay. Next 26th question. Guys done? The coefficient of x to the power of 4 in the expansion this in powers of x. Very good, Renuka. Coefficient of x to the power of 4 in the expansion. How did you solve it? Can you please tell me? Renuka ji,
Yes, sir.
tell me your method, no problem. The way you solved.
Um, in this problem, they will give me 1 plus x square plus x cube whole power 6. That we will take as n. 6 whole power 6 we will take as n. Coefficient of x power 4 is equal to nc0 nc2 plus nc2 into nc1 plus nc4 into nc6. We will take formulas. We will substitute that 15 plus 15 into 6 plus 15 is equal to 120, sir.
Okay, you solve like that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Look at this. If you observe this properly, can I write this expansion as 1 plus x to the power of n, 1 plus x square to the power of n is equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube whole to the power of n. We can write like this. This expansion is like this. Okay, this is equal to this. We know that. Now, similarly, what he has given here, check 1 plus x square plus x cube whole to the power of 6. Now, n value is 6. I'll be writing directly beta, that's it. 1 plus x square to the power of 6. What I did, I used this property, that's it. We need what? We need coefficient of what beta? X to the power of 4. Am I correct? What is coefficient of x to the power of 4? Can I write nc0, nc0, so nc2 plus nc2, nc1, all even nc6. Okay. We need, so what you are going to get now? We will be using the formula 6c0, 6c2, 6c2, 6c1, 6c4, 6c6. So what you are going to get here now? 62 is nothing but 6 into 5 by 2. So 15 plus 15 into 6 plus 15. Okay. So what is the answer is going to be 15 plus 90 plus 15, which is 120. So 120 would be the final answer. This is how we solve it. Coefficient of x to the power of 4. Correct, coefficient of x to the power of 4. Applied this, got it. Very, very simple. I mean, like just 2 minutes. It is fine, Renuka. I understand, but it is completely fine. But you just got an idea, right? It's fine, no problem. Everyone solve this question. Okay, done. Look at this here. Here P denotes fractional part of the number P. Then this is equal to dash. Guys, what formula I'll be using here? Look at this here. 3 to the power of 200 by 8. Can I write this as 1 by 8 outside? 3 to the power of 200. 3 to the power of 200 can be written as what? 1 by 8. 3 to the power of 2 all to the power of 100. Can I write like this? 9 to the power of 100. So again 1 by 8. 9 can be written as what? 1 plus 8 to the power of 100. Sir, why you are writing like that? So that I can apply my formula. Look at it, 1 by 8. 1 plus nc0 n into 8 plus n into n plus 1 by 2 into 8 to the power of 2 plus n into n plus 1 into n plus and so on. Look at it, you can just, so 1 plus 8 plus let me write, look at just multiply here 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 some into something, this one. Okay, plus if you just multiply all this, like if you solve this entire 1 by 8 into that n into that part, you'll be getting some integer or not. Okay, so he's asking us to what? Here P denotes the fractional part of the number P. Then this is equal to dash. Fractional part very simple. Answer done. Nothing. 1 by 8 plus integer. 1 by 8 plus integer, right? So 1 by 8 is the answer. That's it. 1 by 8 is the answer. How 1 by 8? Like he has given in the set the braces, so we'll write that. So answer is 1 by 8. Okay. So he only given that. Look at this here. This, if this denotes fractional part of the number called P, then this is equal to 1 by 8 only. Fractional part. Okay, guys. So that is how this type of question can be made with a simple way. And okay, and look at everyone solve this question. Beautiful questions, very wonderful questions all this. So no problem, Renuka. See, the thing is like even I have studied in Telugu medium background, like since from the starting, like since nursery you say, LKG you say, have studied in Telugu medium background only, but still I'm able to communicate in a well manner. So it comes, all you need to do is just practice. That's it. Don't worry at all. All right, Renuka ji.
Yes, sir.
Till 10th standard, even I have studied in Telugu medium background. Okay. So 28th question. What is the constant term in the expansion, binomial expansion of this is 405. Then modulus of x is equal to what? Beautiful question, guys. Wonderful question. This is also very good question. Just what formula I have to use here now? Directly you can just tell me the formula, Babu. What general term formula, Babu, isn't it? CR plus 1 is equal to NCR 10 CR root x to the power of n minus r into, here minus, guys, you have minus here, so minus k by x square whole to the power of r. Here minus is missing, so minus should be there. Now 10 CR, here minus k to the power of r, x to the power of, look at it, the root x can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2 or not? Yes. 10 minus r by 2. If I just multiply these two into x to the power of minus 2r. So now 10 CR minus k to the power of r into x to the power of 10 minus r by 2 minus 2r. Correct? Bases are same, so I am adding the powers. So this can be written as 10 CR, so minus k to the power of r into x to the power of 10 minus r. So 4r, so minus 5r whole divided by 2 beta, correct? So it is a constant term, right? It is a constant term. If the constant term is, look at it, if the constant term in a binomial expansion is 405. So constant term is nothing but binomial, look at it, 10 minus 5r by 2 is equal to 0. What is my r is going to be now? 10 minus 5r is equal to 0. R value is equal to 2. Correct? Yes. Now observe here, what can I just do now? 10c2 minus k to the power of r is equal to 405. He has given. Look at this here, Babu. Constant term is the binomial expansion. This thing is the 405. So constant term I just found. For finding constant term, I'm finding r value. After finding r value, just equating with 405. Now tell me. So r value is what we got? 2, right, beta? So r value is 2. So let us substitute r value 2 here. Let us. So k square only is equal to 405. K square is equal to 405 by 10c2. 10c2 answer is what, beta? So 10 into 9 by 2. So reciprocal. So 2 ones, 2 fives, 4 ones, 5 ones, 580 ones. So 9 ones, 9 nines. K square is equal to 9. So k value is what? Plus or minus 3. What I need, beta? K value is plus or minus 3. I need modulus of 3. Modulus of 3 or modulus of minus 3? Basically gives me 3 only. Answer is 3. Answer is 3. Correct? Understood my point? Very, very simple. Clear? Any doubts? Guys, any doubts? Modulus of 3 is the answer. Modulus of 3 or modulus of minus 3 is going to be 3 only. So this is how we make this type of questions. Any doubts, Ji? Adyasha, Mohammad Jafar, Pavanji, Renuka Ji, any doubts? He is talking about constant term beta. So I'm just finding R value and just substituting in that original thing what I got. It's a very simple question actually. This has been asked in 2020. Now, the greatest positive integer. Let me just take this question here and paste it here. So now read the question. The greatest positive integer k for which 49 to the power of k plus 1 is a factor of the sum 49 to the power of 125 plus 49 to the power of 124 plus dash 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 49 to the power of 2 plus 49 to the power of 1 plus 1 is dash. The greatest positive integer k for which 49 to the power of k plus 1 is a factor of the sum given to you is what? What is the ideology? Directly formula. Guys, sum of n terms formula. Look at this here. If you observe this sum of n terms formula of GP, Sn is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1 by R minus 1. Okay, people, if an R is greater than 1, this is the formula we will write. Correct? So, what's the first term? What is n value, Babu? 49. So, directly let me write 49 to the power of 126 minus 1 by 48. Correct? 49 to the power of 63 whole square or else we will write like this, which will be useful for us. Can I write like this? Isn't it looking like a plus b into a minus b? I mean a square minus b square. So, 1 second. A plus b into a minus b whole divided by 48. Okay. So what we need to find out now? We need to find out k value. So 49 to the power of what? K. K is what? 63, Rababu. Answer is 63. Very simple, Rababu. How simple it is. Very, very simple, guys. 49 to the power of k plus is the factor of the sum. So whatever the power of k we have, that is what you are. Look at this. K value is what here? 63 is answer. How simple it is. थोड़ा सा दिमाग बस दिमाग लगाना है बस मिल जाएगा आंसर. Everyone solve this question now. I'll share this notes. Do not worry. Sir, I'm not copying, sir. You're not giving extra time to copy. If I give extra time, beta, it takes so much of time. No problem. Solve this question. I'll share this notes. You can say later you can copy, but you try this now. Again, the given series is GP, geometric progression. Coefficient of x to the power of 7. And sum of the terms he has given. What is the answer? What is the idea? Coefficient of x to the power of 7. Again, it is the GP sum of the series A into 1 minus R to the power of 1 minus R formula this time. So, what is A here? This is my A term, first term. Okay, what is R here? Second term divided by the first term. So, coefficient of x to the power of 7 is going to be what? Beta, equate that, you will be getting the answer. You will be using the formula, right? This is A. What is R here? What is R? Second term by first term, 1 minus x. Okay, to the power of n. N is what? 11, right? So n is equal to 11 here. Substitute everything, you will get the answer. That's it. That's it, Babu. That's it. Substitute A value, R value, n value. You will solve this, you will get it. Then coefficient of x to the power of 7 is equal to dash. Find out that coefficient of x to the power of 7. You have to find out beta. Find it out and do come up with your answer. We'll meet in the next session. So till what question we have solved now? 31st, right? So 31st means you have to solve the remaining questions. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So 32 to 36 question is the homework. Okay, children. Thank you. Goodbye. I'll share the notes.